So here at Regled, we're a big fan of long-wave gas catalytic infrared as a drying solution. The key point about gas catalytic IR is operates at a very low temperature, which is ideal for sensitive substrates like PVC and GRP. Now, it can be implemented in a large system like a shoebox. However, the technology has been adapted by Schubert to provide smaller solutions for different applications. So the Maxitrol Schushine Kit is a portable standalone gas catalytic emitter, which means it can be adapted into smaller environments. So the Maxitrol Schushine system comes in two different orientations. We have the horizontal version here, as shown here, but we also have the vertical version as well. So as I mentioned earlier on, it is a fully standalone unit. This particular option is supplied by a 17 kilo butane bottle that it just sits onto the back of here. So the whole operation of this system is that it requires some pre-warming through a standard 3-pin plug, usually about 10 or 15 minutes until the plate starts to warm up. Then we can turn on the gas supply and regulate that, and that will then generate your long wave infrared, and that can be wheeled into position, whether it is in a spray booth, a dedicated drying area, or if you move it around for different applications. It's really up to you. So after we've talked about the portable Maxitrol Schushine option, the kind of step above that then becomes the Kit Kat system. So the Kit Kat system introduces a little bit more safety in the system. You can see here it's quite a comprehensive control panel that will only let you progress to the next stage in generating that long wave infrared when it is safe to do so. If it senses any sort of issues, then it will just shut down to keep you, your factory and your operators safe. So this Kit Kat system is ideal that if you do have a dedicated drying room, obviously the portable systems can go where you need to, but with the Kit Kat system you can pair a fixed gas catalytic emitter that is maybe fixed on the wall or maybe on an upstand, and it can be paired with these reflective panels. The key thing about maximizing the efficiency of a gas catalytic system is reflectivity. The standard CAT will allow about 4 meters of travel. It will still be effective over 4 meters. Using these reflective panels just means that energy is bounced around and we're maximizing the efficiency of the system. The great thing about the Kit Kat system is that it can be adapted into an existing drying room to improve that throughput on your drying system.